Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I'm Hashim Ali Khan. Now these CR Digital Classes will provide you knowledgeable videos on your subjects in a very clear manner so that you can understand the concept very easily and face the examination confidently and expect good results. Now presently we are discussing about consignment. So many classes I have taken explaining the theory concept of consignment. Now I am going to start the problems. In this class, I have taken up a short question on consignment. In the coming classes, I'll discuss more about the long problems which will be asked for 12 marks. But right now, one examination problem I have taken, this has been asked twice. The same problem, just name has been changed, but the figures, the content is exactly same. Now see the problem. Ravi consigned 100 bicycles to Ankit, costing 2,500 each. That means Ravi is the consigner, Ankit is the consignee. And the cost of the goods sent is 100 into 2,500. It comes to 2,50,000, I think. 100 bicycles into 2,500. It comes to 2,50,000. Then Ravi paid. Who is Ravi? Consigner. The consigner Ravi paid 1,000 for freight and 500 for insurance. One point you remember, the expenses paid by the consigner will always be direct expenses, non-recurring expenses. And Ankit expenses amounted to 1,200. Consignee. The consignee has spent 1,200 rupees. If nothing is given, we should assume it as indirect expenses, not direct expenses. Recurring expenses. Then he sold 85 bicycles for 3,500 each. Prepare consignment account. Out of 100 bicycles, 85 bicycles are sold. So remaining 15 bicycles, unsold stock. So ultimately prepare the consignment account. Finally, we are required to make the consignment account. Similar type has been asked. This was asked in June, July 22. Again, the similar type had been asked in May, June 24. Same, Usmania University. And the names have been changed. Instead of Ravi here given Jyoti. Instead of Ankit, he has given Ravi. But the contents of the problem exactly same. And we are required to make consignment account. First of all, when goods are sent on consignment, the entry will be consignment account debtor to goods sent on consignment. Remember, if you are perfect in entries, then easily you can make the ledger account. So journal entries are the foundation stones for complete accounting. So first entry, when goods are sent on consignment, entry will be consignment account debtor to goods sent on consignment. So consignment account debit side to goods sent on consignment. To goods sent on consignment. If date is given, then we would have written date. Date is not given. So to goods sent on consignment. How many bicycles have been sent? 100 bicycles. Each bicycle 2,500. So multiply 2,500 into 100, you will get 2,50,000. That's all. First entry completed. Second entry, expenses paid by Ravi, consigner. 1,000 for freight and 500 for insurance. So totally 1,500 had been spent by the consigner. Entry will be consignment account debtor to bank. So here I am writing to bank. In this I am taking both freight 1,000 plus insurance is 500. So total 1,500. These are the expenses. That's it. Next comes Ankit expenses amounted to 1200. Ankit is the consignee. Consignee has paid the expenses. Entry will be consignment account debtor to consignee account, that is Ankit account. So consignment account debit to Ankit expenses. So what are the expenses paid by Ankit? That is 1200. That's all. Next comes, he sold 85 bicycles for 3500 each. When goods are sold by the consignee, the entry will be consignee account debtor to consignment account. So consignment account should be created by consignee. The name of the consignee is Ankit. So I'm writing by Ankit. Sale. So how many bicycles he sold? 85 bicycles he sold. Into each bicycle was sold for 3500. So here we multiply 3500 into 85. That comes to 2,97,500. 2,97,500. That's all. So we have taken all the items. Now, unsold stock is there. The entry for unsold stock is consignment stock account debtor to consignment account. So consignment account should be created by consignment stock account. Consignment stock account. Now, this consignment stock value is not given in the problem. We have to find out the consignment stock in working note. So here I am writing working note. Now see, working note, consignment stock. How many bicycles were unsold? Out of 100 bicycles sent, 85 bicycles are sold. So 15 bicycle unsold. So I will take cost price of 15 bicycles. So each bicycle 15 into, what is the cost of each bicycle? Here it is given 2,500. So 2,500 into 15. 2,500 into 15. It comes to 37,500. 37,500. To this we add proportionate direct expenses. Proportionate direct expenses. So here we will take expenses paid by the consignor. How much expenses paid by the consignor here? 1,500. It is given in the problem. 1,000 for freight and 500 for insurance. Nothing is given regarding the expenses. What sort of expenses are paid by consignee? Whether it is direct or indirect, not given. Only consignee expenses are given. So we should make an assumption that the expenses paid by the consignee are recurring expenses. Indirect expenses we should not take. Proportionate direct expenses. So total amount paid is 1,500. So 1,500 is the expenses paid by the consignor. How many bicycles are remaining unsold? 15 bicycles. Out of a total bicycles sent by the consignor is 100. 100. Ravi has consigned 100 bicycles. So out of 100, 15 are remaining unsold. So divided by 100. In other words, I can say like this. For sending 100 bicycles, he spent 1,500. For remaining 15 bicycles, how much? So out of 100, we need for 15. So now you can calculate and see how much is the value. So 1500 into 15 divided by 100, it comes to 225. 225. Now 37,500 plus 225, it comes to 37,725. 37,725. This is the value of unsold stock. Remember, it will not be given in the problem. The value of unsold stock you have to calculate in working note like this. So 37,725 I am taking here. That's it. So all the items we have taken. Now we need to calculate the profit or loss on consignment. The difference between debit and credit side. So first of all, we find out the total. Credit side total. What is the credit side total? Just we calculate 297,500. 297,500 plus 37,725. It comes to 3,35,225. This is the total of the credit side. Now debit side total 2,50,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,200. 2,52,700. The difference. 3,35,225 minus 252,700. 335,225. 335,225 minus 252,700. It comes to 82,525. 82,525. Is this profit or loss? If credit side is more, there is a profit. The entry is consignment account debtor to profit and loss account. So here to profit and loss account. It is a profit. How much profit? 82,525. 82,525 is the profit. Now take the total on both sides equal. That is 3,35,225. 3,35,225. That's all. This is the first problem, short problem on making consignment account. First time we have prepared the consignment account. So similar way we have to calculate, we have to prepare the consignment account in the coming problems also. Hope the concept is completely clear how to make the consignment account. So I wish you all the best for your preparations, for your exams on behalf of SIA Publications.